My name is Arnaldo. I'm work for the town of Perinton Highway, and right now we're sweeping, making sure that the streets are clean. You gotta multitask a lot. You gotta pay attention to all your surroundings. You got mirrors in the front. You got a rear view camera. You gotta pay attention to everything, all your surroundings. A lot of people don't like to sweep. I mean, I like it. It's calm. You're on your own and you're doing what you gotta do. And I like making a difference. You know, you make a difference. You sweep it and making the road look nice. Yeah, so I get out and do the sidewalks. They have a lot of debris on them. I'll spray them out with the power washer, get it cleaned up, come and sweep them again, make it look nice, you know? Get branches out of the way. So I gotta pull over sometimes and get out of the vehicle and explain, please go around. I've been here 16 years. I applied for the town of Perinton 4 years ago, and it's just been, everybody here is amazing. Everybody's, wonderful. I love this job. I appreciate this job.